welcome to my next video. This is a long awaited unboxing of my stainless steel cookware. So this is a 15-piece stainless steel set. First, everybody advised that we should use sticky, non-sticky pans. So we started using. Now everyone is saying that we shouldn't use it. So ever silver is the best. So Nandini got me this from noon.com. So let us unbox this one. Okay. By the way, open this. Wrapped nicely. So it's really going to be useful. So hereafter you all can come to my house to have dinner and we will treat you well. I'm waiting for a day that I can unbox YouTube buttons. But today is just to start and practice how to unbox any of our favorite things. Thank you, Nandini, for this beautiful gift to me. Okay. Here it's our very own private label. Wow. Let us see what all is there for us. 15 pieces. And that, this is a nice vessel. We can make tea and we can also make any curries in this. See this cover, it is so nice and the handle is so good. And there is a small air vent and this is going to be fitting in this container, I think. Wow, this has the handle in the sides. So wow, this is the vessel to cook, fire some curries. And we have 1 spoon for catching all the mutton pieces and 1 spoon for taking the curry and 1 spoon for fries. And we have the pan, beautiful pan. Wow, it has a very thick bottom and a long handle, so we will not be affected by the heat. And here comes a cover for the pan. Wow, very heavy and beautiful. Now we will go on to the bigger vessels. I think this is a steamer cum a vessel. And there is also a small bowl with a cover. It is so beautiful. So this is a bowl. And this is a steamer. This steamer can be used. It is full of holes. We can use it on this container. If you have a biryani made on the previous day, you can keep a hot water in the base, or you can even make kuttu, kolkattai, and you can even steam idli in this. So this is also a steamer, and also we have a vessel for making a rice or biryani, and this is for, you can use it inside for lifting up the vessels. And this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and the 3 spoons. Together with this 15 piece. You can make you can also put the idli dosa batter or chapati. You can make the dough and you can put it a cover and keep it in the refrigerator. So what do you think, people? How much do you think I would have paid for this? We would have paid for this. I think it is, first we bought it for 120 dirhams, but when the offer came, we got it for 80 dirhams. So it's a very good price. I wish you all could have it at home, because the bottom is really thick and heavy, so you will not burn any of your dishes. You can put oil and fry things in this, or even you can make a nice say open vegetable curry or whatever. So this is very strong. The glass is also very strong. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share my videos, and please be with me again by pressing the notifying icon. And those who are watching this for the first time, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you for being my partners. And thank you, cameraman, camera woman. God bless.